to YDS tools. I'm here to showcase YDS SDS-PLUS drill bits. As you know, SDS-PLUS drill bits are designed to work with rotary hammer. They have these holes here to secure the drill bit into the drill chuck for more stability and performance. And of course, YDS drill bits are powerful and durable because they are made of carbide alloy, as you can see. Of course, they have different sizes. And these SDS-PLUS drill bits are designed to work with concrete, stones, bricks, and so on. And that's it. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like what we do, give us like, subscribe, and we will share more videos in the future. And if you have any questions, you want to ask about any details, please